Hello, this is Greg Bot here, and real quick, I want to show you how all the new links and offers and everything works. I'm going to show you how to get an affiliate, uh, get your affiliate link from Warrior Plus, and also how to add swipes to offers. Alrighty, let's get it. Um, First, you want to log into your Warrior Plus account or whatever affiliate program that you're using to promote products with. You want to go to the marketplace, and inside Warrior Plus, you go to affiliate, and you want to go to offers. Okay, and so this is where you would uh, find offers to promote. And so these are the offers that you'll be adding inside of your Mailer Mastermind account over here. So with that said, we want to find one that um, has swipes, obviously, unless you're a copywriter and you write your own swipes. I already set up this one inside of this blank Mailer Mastermind account, and they actually didn't have any swipes, so I wrote some myself. Well, actually, I just grabbed them from the sales page. I just grabbed the content from the sales page. But so we want to sort this by launch date. So now we can see what's recently launched. We don't want to go too far back. Like, say for example, we don't want to promote 2024 offers in 2025. So let's go here. Saeed, I personally know him, and I've been an affiliate. I made a lot of money with Saeed. So as an affiliate, so we'll go. I'm auto approved as an affiliate for all his products, so we'll just go with that for this example. So the default sales page is right there, and then so the default is what we want as our main offer. So you want to copy and paste this right here. So you want to go to create an offer. There's the offer name, and that's again the primary. Okay, so then we want to go over. We want to go back over here. We want to get this affiliate link. I'm going to take that over here, and we want to put that there. And this is primary offer, so we're going to check primary offer. I don't know why I didn't close that, but anyways. So okay, so here you can see the primary offer. So now we're going to add that other affiliate link there, just in case. So we want to go to for every AI. We're going to go here, offer links. We're going to create a new link, and then from Warrior Plus, see how there's this other sales page. Oops. And we're going to have to cut that out. But, whoops. Sales are down, guys. Okay, anyways, back to offers. This is my Miller Mastermind account. It's a vendor account. I don't promote anything from this account. It's strictly for managing Miller Mastermind. But anyways, okay. We'll have to go through all that again, but ultimately you would add the other link here. So and the primary is every AI. Oh. Okay, see, it added it there. And each one of these links are all tracked separately. So, but then they'll add to the main offer. Right now I'm in the process of making the statistics show for each of the links separately, but they are being tracked separately. So that's it, guys. Oh yeah, I was going to show you how to find swipes, offer swipes. So I guess we will go back through this. Go back to launch date. We'll find that same offer. Or maybe not. Oh, there it is right here. Every AI. So you want to go to the offer. And then Saeed's real good about swipes. So you want to go to JV page. And then see, here's my thoughts on vendors having JV pages. If you're asking for affiliates to promote your product, then you should provide them with the swipes and everything. And I shouldn't have to be a copywriter to promote your product if you want me to promote your product. And so that's why I say you should really only promote products where they provide you the tools to do so. So with that being said, he gives everything here, which is good. So it gives you a demo video sales letter, sales page, and early bird offer. And then down here you'll see you have swipes, personal hot swipes, converting swipes, bonuses. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and go there. Every AI email swipes. Okay, so then it gives you all these different subjects. Search and unlock premium AI. Okay, so then we want to go to every AI, and we go to offer swipes. You know, click create a swipe, and there's our subject. Oops. Okay, email. And take that. You can just drop it right there. See how it formats everything. You keep the formatting. Alright, so imagine you create anything, you can do all that. Okay, so click here to unlock the full power. So this is where broadcasts also change. Now you'll have in anywhere that there's a text editor, you'll now have tracking URLs instead of tracking link. Instead of offer tracking link, it'll say tracking URLs. And so you can actually use those here. And then if I wanted to say let's say I wanted to use the other link. It allows you to use different. This one's going to go to Google. Alright, anyways. So then let's make that puppy bold. Bow. Alright, so there we have our email swipe. We're going to click save swipe, and there it is. Now if I don't have any mailing platforms, but if I had a mailing platform integrated like GetResponse or the Sender Suite, then I would be able to go ahead and send this swipe. I guess I need to make the editor on that part there. And broadcast doesn't work because I don't have any mailing platforms. Alright, anyways, so that's it. Links and offers have now changed, and they'll be used anywhere that there's an editor to that's it. Have a good one. Oh, and that's also how you get your affiliate link and everything. Set up a affiliate for mailing. Alrighty. Bye.